Good day to everyone. So for today's video, we are going to answer some of the investor question. So number one is, what are your expected revenues in year 1 and year 2? So our expected revenues from selling 16 units at year 1 is 79,570. So assuming that similar 79.59% annual growth, year 2 revenue would reach approximately 142,903.10 pesos. Number 2, what are your current sources of funding? Our current fundings comes from our personal savings and small contributions used for our prototype development. Number 3, what are your burn rate and runaway? Our average monthly net income is 1,252.58 and our net burn rate is negative 1,252.58 per month. Our cash balance is 3,500. So to calculate, the runaway calculation is 3,500 divided by 1,252.58 is equivalent of 2.79 months. So the result is that the runaway is approximately 2.79 months. So in conclusion, with a cash balance of 3,500 and an average monthly net income of 1,252.58, the company's runaway is approximately 2.79 months. Since the company is cash positive, its runaway will extend as it accumulates more cash. Number 4, when do you anticipate becoming profitable? We break in month 1, which means the business is profitable immediately with 50,031 pesos net income by year 1. Number 5, how much capital are you raising and why that specific amount? We plan to raise 3,000 to 5,000 to increase production capacity, approve materials and tooling, create marketing materials, strengthen online selling channels. So these amounts aligns with the operational skills shown in our P&L. 6. What milestone do you plan to achieve with this round of funding? With the capital, we aim to increase the production from 5 units to 10 units per year and to expand to more schools and stores, and then improve product quality and packaging, and also grow revenue beyond 10,000 pesos by year 2. So last is, what is your preferred mode of funding? Debt or equity? Why? So we prefer equity funding because we avoid early debt obligations. So our business is still growing and needs the flexibility. Equity partners can contribute expertise, not just money. That's all for our answers in the questions from the investors. Thank you for watching.